There's another one. There's another one. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Hello. That's it. Hello, guys. Now this is part 3. Hello, Tita. Hello.
Hi.
Oh. Is anything in here? Nope. Oh, there's a business. I just saw a blue thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look there. Look. This is so cool. Oh, hairy guy. Hi, hairy guy. What's the menu for today, huh? Okay, excuse me, little guy, because I'm scared. Whoa, feather. Look at that feather. It's gonna get startled. I'm going. Birds. Oh, what was that? Oh, there's a tiny. Is that a woodpecker?
Yeah.
There's one there.
Look at this.
In here. Oh gosh, is this big?
There. Here we should see the German peacock.
Oh my gosh, there's a peacock here. Oh my god, there it is.
Uh-huh.
There it is. There it is. Oh, this is so cool. Now let's find the green broadbill. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so tiny ones.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go now. It's getting scary here. From a lot of shouting. What's here now? Oops, sorry.
There.
Found them. Oh my gosh, the tails are so long. My gosh. I think there's something following me. That's the nest.
And there's our Kawita.
What did it say? Oh, hi. We lost you. Oh, is that a rooster? No, it has things here.
What is there?
Oh, they don't have a rooster here? Oh, the feet. Look at the feet.